Welcome to this free computer learning tutorial part 2. In this part 2, I will show you again some related stuff to the settings. So how I went there, right click over here and then click settings. If you can remember the first part, I showed you some stuff at the system. Now I'll show you device. If you want to pair a Bluetooth device, you need to turn on your Bluetooth device and make sure you there should be a function how you can send signal from your Bluetooth device to your desktop. You may want to read the menu of your Bluetooth device, and from your desktop you just click here, add Bluetooth device, Bluetooth here, and then it will search to find your Bluetooth device. I don't have any Bluetooth device right now, but if I have any, it will the name of that Bluetooth device will pop up here. Then you just hit connect, it will connect your Bluetooth device. Printer and scanner, I have this printer connected with this desktop, with this laptop. If I want to remove it, I just click here, remove, then it will remove my printer. And obviously I don't want to remove it. If I want to manage to see what's going on here, I can print a test page from here. I can run troubleshooter to see if there is any problem. So if it is any problem, it will tell me what's the problem. If there is no problem, it will say nothing, like that. Printer properties, it is showing me my properties. Basically, it shows the which port it is connected, the device settings, manual fit. If you if you want to use a legal paper or letter size paper or A4 size paper to print, you can select the feed over here. And then if you want to, this is your general, this is the location, this is preference, and then print. If you want to print a test page, you can print here. That's it. Now I'm going to hardware properties. Basically, device and printer folder. Basically, this is like, you actually don't need to, I mean, come here, like maybe never. So just to know what to do. So that's why I just show you. Phone. This is a very interesting feature on your Windows 10 computer. You can add your phone. You can read here text and see recent photos from your phone right on your PC. Or if you are on your phone, send web pages straight to your PC. So this is a very nice feature on Windows 10. You can add your phone. You can have Android or iPhone option. Mine is Android, so I Android and then continue. Then it will so just follow the on screen instruction. Then you can connect your phone to your computer. This is a nice feature. Network and internet. This is the current status. My mm, computer is connected, so it is showing it over here. And then personalization, background. If I want to change my background, I can change it from here, whatever I want. So I just want to uh, keep maybe whatever I had before. And then color. If you want to change any color, you can. If you want to keep it custom, you can keep it custom. It's up to you. Lock screen. So if your screen is locked, it's what type of um, um, image you want to show. This is, you can select it over here. Windows Spotlight, whatever. So Windows Spotlight means it will by randomly Windows will give you some images. If you select picture, then you select whatever you like when your screen is locked, this image will show. So but if I leave it spotlight, the by default Windows will uh, give these images. Theme. So this is the theme, whatever theme I want to use. Let's go check. So say this one. See, now its theme has changed, but I don't really like this one. I'll keep it this way, simple. Just want to make my thing is simple. Fonts. If you want to, so this is the fonts, like the the fonts for your application. What do you see right now? So say here, this is look like this, right? If I change it, then it will be like this. So there are a lot of things you can do. Apps. Uh, apps and feature. These are the apps that is installed on this computer. Say FileZilla. If I want to remove this, I can select here and then I can uninstall it. If I want to Forge of Empire, this is a game I never played it. I don't know what is it really. If I want to remove it, I can just uninstall it. If I want to modify, I can modify it, but I don't know. I mean, sometime modify is not gonna do nothing, but anyway, you just know. So Google Chrome, if I want to uninstall, I can uninstall. So now default apps, it shows all the default apps that comes with Windows. Offline maps, apps for websites, so video playback. Pretty much this. Some of these are cool stuff. Some you really don't need it. So yeah. So let's move on to time and language. Set time automatically. You want to leave it on because every time you turn on it, because your computer is connected to internet, and obviously your uh, the battery in your computer, it reads the time. So if you leave it your time on every time, you don't have to change your time. It will uh, by default it will show you the current time. You can change your time zone over here. Say you are today in say USA Eastern Zone, and maybe tomorrow you're traveling to say somewhere, and you say you move to Central America, which is UTC time, sub Central American time, which is -6. So you can change it to there, over there, whatever the time zone you are in, you can change it. So yeah. So I'm right now in Eastern Zone, so I just put it on Eastern Zone. Show additional calendar in the taskbar. If you want to show other calendar beside this one, you can show simplified Chinese lunar. I don't know what is it. See, wow, that looks fine. Yeah, see, I never even looked it up before. So yeah, so if you don't want to, just don't show additional taskbar. Boom, there you go. That's it. It's fun. And then region, uh, you select your region, where are you, which country you are in, and which language, what type of language you want to, you can select. Speech, you can uh, record your speech like I'm doing right now, so you can change it. If you have a microphone, if you have a different device, you can once you add it, you can come here to change your microphone setting. So gaming, this computer not good for gaming. This is not a good gaming computer, so I'm not gonna bother you to show something here. And pretty much that's it. Privacy. This is something you wanna be a little careful about, because whatever by default it's on, leave it on. Don't turn it off. These are self-explanatory. You can understand what it's saying. Speech here. Sometime you can like it's in Windows 10, there's an application called Cortana. Mine is, I turn it off. If you leave it on Cortana, you just tell, hey Cortana, I want to open Google Chrome, then it will open Google Chrome for you in automatic. You don't have to do nothing. So I turn it off because it's kind of boring for me. So you can leave it on. You can leave your Cortana on. So these are very good stuff. Location, uh, allow apps to access your location. By default, it's off. You don't want to turn it on because it's going to be off always. It can, if you don't want to share your location either. I mean, yes, some people it's important, but for a lot of people it's not necessary. So you don't want to share your location, and obviously why you want to share your location, right? Um, so these are some cool stuff, but you make sure this is related to your privacy. Whatever by default coming with Windows, with your computer, just leave it as it is, unless you don't wanna share your location. You don't wanna, share your location to others. So yeah. So pretty much this is for the settings. So for my next tutorial, I will show some more cool stuff. Be with us till then. Goodbye. Thank you.